Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's me, Austin, here from Just a Real Fan Productions. Now, for those of you that may not know, my Sony Handycam FDR-AX33 has bit the dust. I plugged it in and found out that it would not hold a charge. So basically, this thing is done, which kind of sucks because I've only had it for about 6 years. If you all remember watching my videos back then. Now, obviously, I'm going to be doing my research first, but there's this one rail cam, or, sorry, what do I keep saying rail cam? There's this one handy cam that I'm looking at right now. I'll show you. It's the Panasonic 4K Ultra HD video camcorder, HC-VX981K. It has a 20 times optical zoom, 1 to 2 and 3 inch BSI sensor, HDR capture, Wi-Fi, smartphone, multi-scene video capture, and it's in the black color. So, like I'm saying, this is the camcorder that I am considering in buying, but of course, I'm sure that there are other good options out there for me to choose from. But one thing that this does not have is the wireless charging. I don't know if that is an accessory you can buy or you have to buy a specific package. But yeah, so I'm not really happy about this, but oh well, I guess things happen for a reason, right? So anyway, let me turn the camera back around. I don't want to make this video too long, but I figured I'll give you all an update of what's going on. I'm actually very sad to hear about this, but I guess things happen for a reason. So anyway, when I get this camcorder, I'll be sure to do an unboxing because it is around $747, and that's really the cheapest I can go. So, anyway,